everyone, I have got a very exciting parcel here to open with you. So yes, I think I know who it's from. The name is on the back, so I'm being very careful not to reveal the name and address on the parcel, but I just snipped the tape and thought I would open it on camera because it's very exciting, and I hope you will share my excitement. So here it is, beautifully wrapped. Look at that, happy birthday. Oh, so kind. And as I say, I know that it's from Sharon, so I'll say thank you, Sharon, as I open it. But here we go, and we shall have a look. I can tell there's lots of different bits and pieces inside, which is very exciting. And we'll carefully unwrap. Oh, I'm not very good at doing it without ripping the paper. And see what's inside. Look at this lovely paper with the birthday candles. Now I am, for my birthday this year, I'm 49. I don't usually reveal my age very much, but I thought I just would. Why not? It doesn't really matter, does it? And we'll carefully unwrap it here as well. I don't know if I don't think Sharon knew how old I was. She does now. And this one, it's very nicely wrapped, and I'm making a real mess of undoing it. Here we go. I probably should have waited and left this to open actually on my birthday. I'm really naughty. It's just a little bit early. Oh, and we have another package. It's like and a card. It's like pass the parcel, isn't it? That's lovely. Pop that down on the floor beside me. So I'm going to open the card. I won't read it out, but I shall open it anyway. I'm so bad at opening things nicely. And Sharon knows that I love elephants. Look at that. Gorgeous. So cute. Such a cutie. I'm just going to have a quick look. Oh, she just put happy colouring. Isn't that lovely? Oh, sorry. I'm getting just looking. Okay, let's unwrap, see what we've got. So exciting. Okay. So we have got let's open. I think I can see what this is. Let's have a look inside. So we have, this is a Sakura pen, and it's a Glaze one, and it looks like it's black. Hang on. I've got a pad here. Let's just give it a try. Hang on. Let's use this page. Oh, it's got a cherry look on the end. Just get that off. So very shiny black. You can't see. I shouldn't imagine. I put that up to the light. I don't know how well. There, look at that. Shiny, shiny. It's still really wet at the minute. So I assume though that it stays shiny as it dries. I don't want to touch it because it looks really wet. It might just stay shiny, which is really pretty. I think that's the idea of the Glaze ones. So that's that one. And then we have something in here. Ooh. Wow, so exciting, all the unwrapping. There you go. Wow, wow, look at that. So Cause Colour 36. I've got a sharpener, which is interesting. It says, I'm just looking carefully, comfortable handling plus 2 metallic colours. Oh, that's fun. Intensive colour. Now Sharon has sent me pencils of this brand before in the pastel tones, but look how lovely and bright these are. it has all the colours on the back. What I will do is I will make a video and use them and to colour something, so to try them out. But obviously they must be triangular, which is interesting. It's a little bit different to the, are they? Yeah, the pastel ones are triangular as well. So that's really good fun. They've got numbers on as well, which is nice. So we can identify the colours, which the pastel ones don't. So that's really good. So it makes it a little bit easier making a video for you. Now we have a letter here from Sharon, which I'm just going to pop to the side. I won't be reading that. Ooh! Now look at this. Hang on, I'm going to get it out of the. It is a stencil, or is it 2 stencils? I'm not sure. Pop it out. It's got a cute little cat sticker. How cute is that? It's 2 stencils. So we have, oh, that's useful. Look at that, a sort of sea stencil. That's really interesting. And we have a circle. How useful. Hang on. Have I got some? Yeah. We use Sharon's letter to put it on so you can see. Oh, it's not really a good colour, is it? Hang on. No, I haven't got anything. Never mind, we'll put it on there so you can see. Hopefully there, now you can see. So we've got all sorts of different shaped circles. So what you could do with this is just use the one circle as and just keep using the same size, or you could go all over it and do sort of circly backgrounds. That's really interesting. And this one I'll show you against the paper so you can see. So we've got different ones. So we've got a sort of thicker, and then a sort of thinner, and an even thicker one there. Different designs. Quite a delicate in there, but that works. I think this will be quite good with distress ink for the sea. I'm practicing my distress inks, which actually Sharon sent me. Let's pop the letter back over there for a minute. I'm still practicing them though. I haven't really used them on videos because I'm not very good. So, but I'm practicing and enjoying. Let's pop those there. Oh, so we've got Lulu Mayo. Look, a million sweet things. Now Sharon sent me my other Lulu Mayo book, and this one looks adorable. I should do a very quick flick like that, and we'll do a proper flip through video of that. Look at the foil on the cover. It's adorable. I've seen a few videos from this. Wow, this book, look at the hardback cover. Beautiful. This book's on my wish list. I can zoom out a bit more for you. I'm not going to do a proper flip through, but I'll do a little quick one, and I'll do a flip through of that for you as well at some point, and for me. So I won't look at it until I do my flip through. So that's my absolutely gorgeous set of items. So Sharon, that is amazing. You are so generous. Beautiful items. Look, so many things, and a cute card. Look at that. Oh, and the pen. Wow, so lovely. So there we go. Wow, I feel so overwhelmed and spoiled. This is amazing. So Sharon, thank you so much. I will be in touch with you, and that's really kind and lovely. So thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching. As I say, there will be some flip throughs of the books coming up pretty soon, because I can't wait to have a look myself and share with you. So that's fantastic. So anyway, everybody have a lovely day. Hope you have some treats, even if they're just little things you treat yourself to, but have a lovely day, and happy colouring.